KTC provides turnkey engineering solutions to the wood industry. KTC teamed up with Melbach Corporation to provide an industrial solution on a project. KTC and Melbach were tasked with the replacement of broken cylinders in a press. This procedure can also be used for replacing bolsters and platens on the press. The engineering solution was conceptualized to minimize downtime. Focus was to execute the project safely and economically. With the involvement from operations, maintenance, Melbach and KTC, the entire plan was documented, measured, and verified on site. The engineering design used a BIM modeling approach. 3D models of existing equipment such as press, loading, unloading cages, and other structures were created. Fabrication drawings were detailed to include every bolt and connection. These details were then included in the main model to check for interference and constructability. Using 5D simulations, cost and time parameters were added to the model. A removable support structure with monorail attachment was designed and fabricated to remove the two damaged cylinders. Detailed fabrication drawings were produced from the 3D model. This simulation outlines the major tasks of the project. This was used by operations, maintenance, contractors, and engineering to accurately plan the process, simulate key tasks, and obtain buy-in from site. First, the simultaneous arms are removed. The platens and bolsters are held up by 4 temporary columns. The caps were installed on the cylinders to protect any damage from the temporary support platform. The temporary support platforms were installed. All of the platens and bolsters were then jacked up and rolled out on rollers 3/4 of the way out of the press. A stop was put in place to secure the final position of the platens and bolsters. Part of the temporary platform was removed for access to the cylinders. The monorail system was installed. The cylinder is now taken out and transferred using the monorail and cart. The cylinder is replaced and reinstalled with the monorail and cart. The monorail system was removed. The temporary support platform was reconstructed. The platens and bolsters were moved back, and the temporary support platforms are now removed. Everything was designed with bolted connections for quick assembly and deconstruction. The protective caps on the cylinders are also removed. The simultaneous arms are reinstalled. The project solution took away the risks that would exist if a crane and high lifting were to be involved. The total length of the project is 19 days. A project to replace cylinders in a press would normally take around 4 weeks. The project budget is reduced by 50% using a turnkey industrial solution. Through collaboration, a unique solution was provided for a difficult and sensitive situation. For more information, contact us at www.ktceng.ca and www.wdmelbach.com.